Okay, so what do we have here? Social trading site eToro, established in 2007. Basically, eToro targets the mass market. It tries to make trading accessible to the average Joe, who formerly, probably, didn't know too much about the forex markets and investing in general. So what is eToro? Well, the proprietary trading platform. Traders can choose between trading on their own, i.e. the old-fashioned way, or copying other traders with just a few clicks of the mouse. eToro itself is regulated in Cyprus by the Securities and Exchange Commission, CySEC, and in the UK by the Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA. Most clients will be subject to eToro Europe Limited, which is regulated by the Cyprus Securities Exchange Commission, CySEC, and retains a cross-border license from the CySEC to offer its services to member states of the European Economic Area and outside of it. eToro's UK's financial services shall be rendered solely to premium clients, which are residents of the United Kingdom. Premium clients are those depositing over $20,000. The motive behind development of their own trading platform was ease, speed, and simplicity. Their new WebTrader platform uses HTML5 but not Flash, so the application is fast and does not require the installation of any plugins. The same application is also available for fast smartphones running on Android, iOS, and Windows. Transactions are simple. Select a currency pair, click buy or sell, and select your trade options and open the trade. The trading platform is very game-like. It's almost a temptation to think you are playing a game and forget that it's your hard-earned cash that you are staking. But at least there is a demo account on offer to give beginners the opportunity to master the software before laying out real cash. Traders at eToro can benefit from personal portfolios, watch lists, news feeds, similar to Facebook Wall, trading history, stats, risk levels, and can use one-click trading from all screens. They can also select to search by entering specific profile features such as location, percent of returns, and duration of trade. eToro offers CFDs, contracts for difference, that cover the 4 major asset classes. These include over 30 currency pairs, hundreds of stocks and major commodities, and indices and ETFs. The number of markets available to trade is growing but does not match the range offered by most brokers at the moment. However, many of the most popular markets are included. Spreads for currency pairs trading start from 2 pips for the US dollar, Japanese yen, or 3 pips for the euro, US dollar, and euro, Swiss franc, and go as high as 7 pips for the euro Australian dollar and euro Canadian dollar, and even as high as 10 pips for the US dollar Chinese yuan. Spreads are also influenced by market conditions and may vary from the ones we mentioned. Deposits, well, you can deposit and withdraw by credit card, Skrill, PayPal, and even wire transfer. The tricky part when trading is predicting whether a market is going to go up or down, and for how long, and how you can maximize your profits while minimizing risk. To be able to do that, eToro gives you 2 options. You can either trade yourself on the eToro web platform, or you can use other people's knowledge and expertise through their social trading network and copy successful traders. The minimum deposit for a real trading account varies between $50 and $300 depending on your region. Trader investor can at every opening position choose the degree of leverage from 1:1 to 1:400, allowing for trading with only your money without the use of brokers. Maximizing leverage is offered in forex at 400:1 and 100:1 in other instruments. Trade at least 2 months on a live account and you're almost ready to become a popular investor, meaning that other people can copy your trades. In fact, the core of the innovation at eToro is the option to become a passive investor from an active trader by letting a part of the trading orders be taken over from chosen successful traders. Copy trading is simple with eToro. The social trading system itself is simple. Sign up, find a top trader, copy their trades, monitor and manage the trades made by the traders you have copied. Clients go through the database of active traders and find the one best suited for them, be it based on their history on eToro, overall success, number of trades a day, country of origin, etc. Then they choose the size of the account with which they want to copy the trader and confirm. From the moment the trader to be copied is chosen, all the trades done by the follow trader occur simultaneously in the account of the client in the desired amount. You can mirror any top trader with up to 40% of your realized equity, i.e. you cannot risk everything on one trader. You can also limit your risk by entering a stop loss, i.e. the maximum loss before you automatically stop copying this trader. The trades are also copied proportionally, meaning that if the trader risks $1,000 of their $10,000 account, 1% on a trade, only $1 will be risked in your account if you allocated $100. So what are the pros? Well, there's a simple to use and easy interface, free unlimited demo account, social and copy trading, some people love this, and you can learn a lot from other traders. The social side is useful and provides a lot of insight into the sentiment and trends. They may not have the tightest spreads, but accounts can be opened for as little as $50, which makes them a good candidate for practice trading with small amounts of real money. Free copy trade, although the copy trader system doesn't work very well under some circumstances, it gives you the opportunity to copy the trades of some very good traders and some horrible dollar-burning ones too for free. No risk of debt, never lose more than the amount that you deposit. So now the cons. If you're looking for a cheap forex broker, eToro may not be the one for you. For example, the stated spread on the Euro-US dollar is 3 pips. The pound and US dollar is 4 pips, and the US dollar Japanese yen is 2 pips. And exotic ones go from 5 to 7 pips. The spreads are even wider than the spreads you can find with other brokers these days. Definitely not one for frequent traders or traders who hold their positions for short time frames. However, low volume traders who desire the social trading aspects of the trading platform may look past the high cost. The overnight rollover fees charged by eToro also seem to be higher than most other providers. This should be taken into consideration since most of the traders you can copy have a tendency to keep positions open for weeks or even months, meaning over time these rollover fees can add up if open trades aren't managed carefully. There is also a non-customizable trading platform. The WebTrader platform does not allow you to move the panes or customize the layout of the screen in any way. Experienced traders who desire a level of customization may want to look elsewhere for a highly customizable platform. And charts also seem to lack the high-powered tools that most traders need. They also charge a $5 inactivity fee if you do not place a trade within 12 months, and they do charge for withdrawals. Any withdrawal over $500 will incur a $25 fee. All eToro trading accounts are managed in US dollars. You can still deposit using euro, pounds, yen, Australian dollars or Canadian dollars, but will then be charged a conversion fee. During times of high volatility, the platform may also slow down, and orders can be slow to get executed. For every good trader, there are many bad ones. Select carefully. You have to select your signal provider very carefully, because a number of people just try to earn some commission, hit and run. Another problem is the stats and percentages they give on traders' profiles can be misleading and inaccurate, especially when the trader may be using an account with a tiny amount of capital and just seeking to attract copiers for commissions. You can't even see the full history of the trader, but having said that, there are definitely some good traders to follow. All their resources and efforts go to marketing their social trading platform. Then my doubt is, how many serious and experienced traders are using eToro if the trading platform is so primitive? I get the impression that when somebody copies a person's trades, they are copying beginning trades. Via eToro's popular investor program, traders who break out of copying others to be copied themselves can earn up to 30% revenue share of the profits that they make for other traders on top of the profits that they make using their own money. Clearly then, this is the best way to maximize profits on a social trading platform. It also gives traders a great incentive to learn how to trade on their own rather than just copying the trades of others. It's also worth noting that eToro introduced a verified status icon for popular investors. They can obtain this by displaying their real name and photo in their profile as verified by eToro customer services. This obviously adds some level of trust that you're following real people and not computer robots. In addition, all traders on eToro risk their own money as well. This is obviously good, though the actual balance of their account is unfortunately not shared and can range from $200, the minimum deposit value, to many thousands. There are currently 4 different categories of popular investor. There's Cadet, has a minimum of $1,000 in deposits and a minimum average monthly equity of $500 and up to 50 copiers. He earns a revenue share of 25% of commissions made by new clients introduced by him to eToro via a unique affiliate link, regardless if they copy him or not. Then we have Rising Star, which has a minimum of $5,000 in deposits and a minimum average monthly equity of $1,000 and at least 50 copiers. He earns as a cadet plus $350 monthly and a 10% spread rebate. From there we have Champion, which has a minimum of $5,000 in deposits and a minimum average monthly equity of $5,000 too, and at least 250 copiers. He earns a revenue share of 30% plus $1,000 monthly and a 50% spread rebate. Then finally we have Elite, which has a minimum of $20,000 in deposits, a minimum average monthly equity of $10,000 and at least $300,000 in AUM, which stands for Assets Under Management. He earns a revenue share of 30% plus 2% of annual Assets Under Management paid monthly and a 100% spread rebate. All popular investors must have a maximum risk score proprietary eToro metric of 6 from a scale of 1 to 10. Champions and elites also get premium account benefits such as personal Payoneer card, personal account manager, special deposit bonus, and other promotional offers. To find people to copy, just use the Discover feature, and you can filter popular investors by several criteria: the country from which they are from, the markets in which they trade in, the performance during a predefined period, the risk score, the AUM, a number of copiers, a number of trades and activity. If you want to find out more or interact with a specific trader, just click on his or her profile. The Feed tab gives you the feeling of a totally open and transparent social network. You can read the latest comments, and if you feel like it, add some of your own or like other people's comments. Under the Stats tab, you can see detailed statistics of the trader's performance, data about the copiers, number of evolution over the past 7 days, and total AUM. The Portfolio tab shows the trades currently open and the past trades over the last year. The chart shows a hypothetical $1,000 copy account would have fared over the last 12 months. You can start copying with as little as $100, and at any given time you can copy up to 20 different investors. The CopyTrader system gives you two options for copying. Copy all trades, including the already open positions, which will be opened when the market rates available at the time of copying, not those at which the original trades were opened. Or copy only new trades, meaning only trades opened after the copy action started will open in your account. A very important risk management tool is represented by the Copy Stop Loss CSL feature. Set by default at 40%, you can manually adjust it from 5 to 95%. This means that you are always in control of the maximum percentage of copy balance that is at risk. So for instance, if we took an amount of $1,000 and set the CSL to 50%, the moment your current equity, including the profit loss, over all trades drops to $500, the whole copy account is closed. So in conclusion, there are no fees to use eToro, the only costs being the spreads and the charges to hold overnight positions, both higher than most brokers. The simple game-like user interface and integrated social network function might lead clients to believe that trading is easy and fun. Nothing can be further from the truth. It can also give the wrong impression that even though you're a novice, making money is easy as clicking copy. There are probably good traders on eToro, but it takes some time and skill to find them. Most of the traders on eToro are high-risk traders with bad money management and horrible drawdowns, so you have to be extremely careful when choosing traders to copy. In the meantime, don't forget the ubiquitous disclaimers. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results, and CFD trading carries a high level of risk and can result in the loss of all of your investment.